Okay, so teams, stand up. Find who you want to go to. 5 to a table. You have 10 minutes. This clock says 3:52. At 4:02, you're going to do it again.
Because the RTS is going to teach you something about like maybe you'll learn something about a first-person shooter, or maybe you'll just understand better how those mechanics work. So that's one. The other 2 skills is you want to know how to write. You want to be able to write clearly, and you want to be able to communicate your point fast. This is a skill called technical writing, and you can find whole books and websites on how to do it. But you need to know how to write, and you need to know how to communicate with people. Like it's kind of almost the most important skill. It's like you as the designer are kind of the leader of the project. But that's not the leader of the project in the sense that you tell people what to do. You're the leader of the project in the sense that everybody is trying to work, and you're going to help them all do their jobs. So like you need to be able to like hear a problem that the programmer is having with the artist, be able to go to the artist, talk to them, and convince them, because artists can be really, really precious. Like convince them that even though they really like the way their drawing works, it's not going to work with the program, and they should do it this other way, and then be able to go back to the programmer and explain what happened. Does that make sense? So stuff like this.
I'm not really sure how to hit that. That actually could be, you might actually could invent some new type of entertainment, video gaming.
Can I ask you guys a question? When you design, or when you're working in Global Kids or thinking about games, how do you come up with the idea, or how do you just start a project? How do you decide what subject can be worthy of a game versus writing a paper or making a movie or making a website about it?
You can explain. Okay, well usually one of our main goals was to come up with an idea.
Okay, everybody. So I have a question out there. Before we mix again,